SAITAMA NU Crypto is another contestant on the lookout. A symbolic vows to bring a truly necessary energy and development to the space. The venture is still in its beginning phases, yet the group has proactively delivered a functioning item. If you have any desire to know more insights concerning the venture and find the SAITAMA future cost estimate for the long stretches of time ahead, continue to peruse. What is SAITAMA NU? SAITAMA NU is a local area-driven DeFi stage based on top of the Ethereum blockchain. SAITAMA NU plans to simplify it for normal people to partake in the decentralized money market and exchange digital currencies and NFTs. SAITAMA is accepted to target Gen Z financial backers, as indicated by the stage's white paper. Over 90% of them allegedly feel bothered or confounded with regards to supporting. SAITAMA will likely only give individuals data that will assist messes with figuring out how cash functions while they contribute, making possibilities for abundance development. SAITAMA is an Ethereum-based deflationary token. On October 26, 2021, the SAITAMA token was recorded on the Door.io and Bitmart trades. After a month, in November, it was added to the LATOKEN DEX and Giottos trade in India, and in December of that very year, it was recorded on SwapSpace. On January 8, 2022, the undertaking delivered a computerized wallet called SAITAMA X. SAITAMA X is intended for clients to exchange, stake, and store their digital currencies while additionally getting data on NFTs, gaming, and cryptographic forms of money. In any case, some will say that SAITAMA is a supposed image coin. Image coins are crypto resources known for their high dangers and possible prizes. While there are numerous image coins to browse, a couple have become really effective. The most well-known image coin is Dogecoin, which was made in 2013 as a spoof of Bitcoin. Since its commencement, Dogecoin has become one of the main 10 digital currencies by market capitalization. Regardless, Dogecoin is the exemption instead of the standard. Most image coins give high rewards and keep up with their greatest costs just temporarily, period. From that point forward, their normal costs begin tumbling down without any desire for rising once more. SAITAMA Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of SAITAMA costs expected in 2022, the base expense of SAITAMA will be $0. The greatest level that the SAITAMA cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. SAITAMA Value Conjecture for January 2023. In light of the value variances of SAITAMA toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical SAITAMA pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. February 2023, SAITAMA Value Estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the SAITAMA cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of SAITAMA may be around $0. SAITAMA Value Gauge for Walk 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of SAITAMA in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal SAITAMA rate they foresee may be around $0 Walk 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. April 2023, SAITAMA Value Estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the SAITAMA cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the SAITAMA worth to $0. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. SAITAMA Value Figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected SAITAMA costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The least and pinnacle SAITAMA rates may be $0. June 2023, SAITAMA Value Figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the SAITAMA cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the SAITAMA cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. SAITAMA Value Estimate for July 2023. Having examined SAITAMA costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the SAITAMA rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0. For July 2023, the estimated normal of SAITAMA is almost $0. August 2023, SAITAMA Value Conjecture. Around mid-2022, the SAITAMA cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the SAITAMA cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. SAITAMA Value Gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the SAITAMA worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023, SAITAMA Value Estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of SAITAMA costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of SAITAMA will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. SAITAMA value gauge for November 2023. In light of the value variances of SAITAMA toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical SAITAMA pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. December 2023 SAITAMA value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the SAITAMA cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of SAITAMA may be around $0. SAITAMA value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of SAITAMA in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of SAITAMA will be around $0. The greatest expected SAITAMA cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. SAITAMA value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of SAITAMA, in 2024, SAITAMA is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. SAITAMA value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of SAITAMA and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base SAITAMA cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. SAITAMA value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of SAITAMA by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least SAITAMA costs are normal in 2026, $0. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0. SAITAMA value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of SAITAMA. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical SAITAMA cost will be around 1 cent. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027. SAITAMA value expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan figures at the cost of SAITAMA. It is assessed that SAITAMA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 1 cent in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 1 cent during the year. SAITAMA value expectation 2030. Digital money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the SAITAMA's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the greatest SAITAMA cost of 2 cents. In any case, its rate could drop to around 2 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 2 cents. SAITAMA value forecast 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the SAITAMA cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their SAITAMA cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like 3 cents, with the conceivable most extreme